Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Style. I have classic haircut that can work well for every face shape, and this haircut is a hairstyle that is bold and is a hairstyle that can make that statement, and is a style that can be styled in a variety of ways. You can see this haircut on your screen. Can't just see it's looking bold and is a dairy transformation for beautiful black women. Can't you say the style is lovely? You can try the style yourself. Don't forget to subscribe your first time on this channel. And one good thing about this haircut is that it involves cutting the hair short on the sides and back and leaving it longer on top. And the style, and one thing about the style is it's versatile and can be styled in different ways, such as adding your coils or waves. Working short hairstyles can be a great way to switch up your look and feel confident and empowered. This short hairstyle on your screen is a classic short hairstyle that is stylish and is also a low maintenance style. It can be styled in different ways or even different textures. You can also add your side parts, and it can work well for different face shapes. It's a versatile short hairstyle that can be sleek. You can see the haircut is chic and it's playful. And one beautiful thing about this hairstyle is that it works well for different hair textures and density. So no matter how thin your hair is, or no matter how hard your hair is, this hairstyle will work well on you. And this haircut is a hairstyle that will complement your face shape, it will complement your features and your personal style. See this haircut on your screen. One important thing about this hairstyle is that it's easy to maintain and it will work well with your daily routine. It's a popular haircut for black women, and it can be styled in varieties of ways. You can add different colors or texture, and it can be worn in different lengths and styles. So let me just allow you guys to check out those styles we have for you guys, and let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate every one of you, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys.
You in front of my